So another day, another house tour. So this one naman is Fiorenza model. So Fiorenza model, meron tayong dalawang turnover which is basic and premium. So sa premium, this one is the premium Fiorenza model dahil meron itong balcony area. So pagka standard po ay wala itong balcony area. Kaya meron itong lot area na 120 square meters and floor area of 117.24 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 1 carport, and 2 toilet and bath. Tara, check natin. So before we enter Fiorenza model, please appreciate the frontage area. So as you can see, maluwag ang ating frontage area. This is the parking area. The parking area is covered dahil sa ating balcony. By the way, again, this is a premium unit of Fiorenza. And then made of pebbles and tiles ang ating flooring. Putin naman natin ang ating property. So dito sa Fiorenza model, meron tayong setback area, access going to our laundry area or service area. Welcome to Fiorenza model. So as you can see, ang ating door po is made of solid wood. This is the living area. This is the dining area mga kabahay. So it can fit up to 6 seaters dining table. So compared to other models, this is the kitchen area na naka-long form. So here at the ground floor, meron tayong access papunta sa service area and 1 toilet and bath. So this is the staircase area. So as you can see, meron tayo dito fixed window for additional lighting. And then meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms dito sa ating second floor. Let's check bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang single size bed. Bedroom number 2, here at the second floor. We also have common toilet and bath here at the second floor. Let's check master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom natin, kasya dito ang double size bed and may access ito sa ating mini balcony. We have an ample space here for family room. So this one naman is the access going to our balcony area. If you're interested mga kabahay to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Von Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay. Tripping na!